In my last couple of videos, I was a bit disappointed with the audio quality. It sounded a little bit sort of clipped in the high end to me, like there wasn't much high end there. You may think that I shouldn't expect too much from the audio quality of an action cam, but I actually have I have a USB-C to 35mm adapter and the Rode video macro attached. DJI don't make their own adapters. The officially sort of sanctioned one, the one they sell on their website, is this Cynova adapter. By coincidence, I kind of had that one and another sort of no-name brand cheapo one at the same time, and I compared them, and I kind of felt like I preferred the unbranded one. But having heard the audio back from the previous videos, I thought I might try the Cynova one again. So the thing that you're hearing right now is the no-name brand one. No, it isn't. It's the Cynova one. So they look absolutely identical. This is what they look like. I don't know if this is probably not going to focus. It's probably fixed focus, isn't it? So they look identical. They're pretty tiny. They're just black squares with some sort of markings on. Yeah, they look identical. The differences between them physically that you can notice is the way that they fit in and attach. So the Cynova one, the official one, it doesn't fit very tightly into the case, but the USB-C bit does attach tightly. Whereas on the no-name brand one, it's the opposite way around. So the case holds it really nice and tightly, but if you take the case off, the USB-C socket by itself doesn't hold it that well. So I'm going to swap these out now. So that's the Cynova one. So just for a bit of comparison, this is no adapter at all. I've got no idea how this is going to sound. You can't see this, but behind the camera, very close, there are two monitors, which I'm guessing the sound is going to bounce off onto the sort of unidirectional mic. So now I'm going to plug the Cynova one in. Sorry, no name brand one. Okay, so this is the no name brand one. So as you can see, I've had to put stickers on these so that I remember which one's which. Yeah, hopefully you can, I don't know if you can hear any difference. The cost-wise, it wasn't a massive difference. I think the Cynova one is like 40 quid-ish, and the no-name brand one was about 20-ish, something like that. The reason why I bought this Cynova one was I just thought it was going on eBay quite cheaply. So for all I know, the sellers just palmed off a no-name brand one since they look so identical. Although I can actually feel the difference between them when you put them in. Yeah, there was an interesting. I had that PYI case thing for a while, and there was something interesting. I think it was similar, that the Cynova one was didn't fit very tightly into that case. The other thing is that DJI have updated the firmware to improve the USB-C adapter sound, and I don't know whether that. Well, I assume that would apply to the no-name one and the Cynova one, but who knows? Hopefully that's somewhat useful. I might actually just try a different microphone. So that's the Go, and I've got here a Sony mic, which I kind of wanted to test anyway. So I'm just going to plug this in. So this is the Sony mic, and